Hello, and welcome to my inaugural episode of SOB Gaming Plays Hearthstone. If you're watching this, thank you. I am playing this mostly to better myself, get myself out there talking, doing something that I enjoy, and maybe providing a little bit of entertainment for somebody. I don't know. Well, today our goal is to complete this class quest. Play 30 Warlock cards. If we do that, I'll have enough to buy a pack. So hopefully, if all goes well, there should be a few games and then a pack opening. So we will be playing this Reno Warlock, which the deck list is right here. Has a good bit of early game, a lot of early game actually, mostly targeted towards all the aggro pirates that are being seen. Then we get down, then we have some fun stuff. We have Kazakis, which if we're playing against an aggro, we usually pick a 5 mana potion. Otherwise we play 10 mana. And then we got some more board clears with the Abyssal Enforcer and Twisting Nether, and late game we got Jiraxis. And then hopefully we can get our Leroy combo off. So, that is the goal. Let's put her into action. Or at least play some Warlock cards. Now this is my second attempt at trying to make a good video. I started yesterday just trying to do gameplay footage with no microphone or anything like that, and it did not work out well because the program I was using did not record anything past 30 seconds. So hopefully all should go well, and this should be a much better game. Alright, we're against the Priest. I'll keep the Acidic Swamp Ooze for early game, but other than that, we're just trying to hold up on and get our combo, which maybe I should have kept Power Overwhelming for. But, I don't know. Reno Priest and Dragon Priest like to rush you down early if you're a Reno Warlock. We'll toss up this and hope I should trade. But I don't want to put that in. I guess we'll do that, see if we can get something good. Nothing great. Yeah, at least that goes for our quest card. And I can play the Kazakis next turn if I want an early game spell. Do I want an early game spell? Oh, that's pretty good. Can't play him until next turn, and if I do, it's probably just gonna get deathed. I might need the early game spell. Or tap. Oh, it did. Tap. Ugh, I don't like that positioning.
Is someone injured?
So what's a slower turn point?
Once upon a time.
I guess that will be 4 mana, which will leaves us 1 mana left over, but that's not going to do too much for us. I mean, I guess I can throw it out there. We're not in a great position right now, to be honest. If you hear me whispering, that's my dog, Batman. He's just a little pup. Well, it's not turning out very well. And we can do that. I think we have to go for the 5 mana Kazaka potion. I guess we'll deal 5. That's not very good. Transform enemy, I guess. Hopefully trade some stuff into this and I can demon around it. But that wouldn't be this turn. Ouch. Oh. Man, this guy's wrecking me. Alright, well if I do that and I hit that, then that will be helpful. Oh, it wasn't. But, oh well, we'll do that. I hope you just can't burst me down or something. Hopefully next turn we can stabilize into something. He's drawn a good bit already. 14 over my 18. That's not fun. Ugh. Alright, the 2 of them? Alright then. I can't stay alive if I do that, so I guess that's it. Alright. So we're really playing from behind here. And now he has something from my deck. Not good. Oh god. If I do that, if I use that, I'd have to use that follow-up. I think I have to. It's really not what I want to do. Well, it's definitely not a Reno deck, unless it runs duplicates, but I don't think it does. Whew, that guy doesn't like me. If I do that, then that only does 5 damage, which only would kill that. If I did that and that, it would do 6 damage, and that would kill everything. But that would also leave me at 1 damage. Whew. Alrighty. Clears everything, and now I'm ahead on the board, but you literally can just, yep, do this. Yay, Golden Cobalt. Alright, well, that got us a few of the class cards. Now in the gameplay I tried to record last time, I was on a huge win streak with this deck. Just absolutely demolishing. But of course it didn't save that. I went all the way from rank 8 to rank 5. Now I'm back to rank 6 from... I forget what I tried to... Oh, it was some hunter deck that I saw online that I tried to play. That didn't work out well. Alright, now hopefully this guy is aggro, because we should do well against that. So if he plays a weapon, I'm going to immediately get rid of it. If he plays a pirate, I'll probably doomsayer. Same if he plays a totem. Yep, totem it in. That's going to slow him down. The only thing he could do is lightning bolt. Alright, dude. I think you got nothing left, bro. Bro? You gonna play something? Oh, alright, man. Nice of you. Go ahead and heal up. Just have something on the board. For an aggro guy, this guy's not very fast. That man, you dumb pup. You being silly. You being silly pup. Silly pup. Oh, does he have patches in his hand? Alright, so 4 mana, 4 fire, that's not bad. I'll do it. I'd like to get rid of this thing. I hate this card. It really does a number on me. Ooh, lava bird. Oh. Right now it doesn't matter too much. Neither do these cards really. So I think I'm just going to Soul Fire 1. I wasn't gonna play that anyway. Not much. I guess I'll tap. And now do I want to do that, or do I want to do that and that? Alright, so we're looking pretty good. This aggro has definitely gotten pretty weak right now. Yeah, he did have patches on hand. It's pretty unlucky. Lightning bolt. Interesting. Alright. Well, I guess I'll just get rid of everything. Yeah, we'll go for it. Although I'd rather... Huh. This deck usually runs the 7 mana 7/7, so I'm going to try to hold off Sight and Soul for that card. Or the 4 mana 7/7, sorry. So he's the 7th. Alright, what's he doing? Gonna try to rush him. I guess so. We'll do that, followed up with that. Alright, so I need to hope he just doesn't get Lava Burst, really. Or Leroy if he runs it. Either of those would be bad. I can play Jirax's next turn and get back up to 15. Oh, good. Ugh, that's a really good one for him to get. Oh well. Well, that's a really good one for me to get. I think I'll keep it. Alright, do your thing twice. So I got something if he draws a minion. I'm in a pretty good spot. Pretty good. Oh, would you get a little rock biter weapon? That's cute. A whole bunch of stuff and kill him. Alright, as long as he didn't get Doom, well, no, if he got Doom Hammer and Rock Fight, that would only be yep. Sweet. We got it. Go away. Alright, 20 out of 30. Probably take about 2 more games to get that. And that should make for a pretty good introductory video. Oh. That's the same guy, isn't it? I think so. I could keep that, but I think I want something earlier. I mean, I know that's like turn 4, but that's if you don't play anything. And that's a pretty good hand. What you gonna play this turn? Alright. I will pass. So no totem goal follow-up. I will pass again. I don't need to tap for that. I'm just waiting for him to play one more card and then I can second rate bruiser on him. This turn. Oh, that's a perfect card to get. That means he's gonna either have to lava burst or something down on me. go with that. And should we drop that out as well? Yeah, I like having two things on the board. So I assume he's going to have to reactively do something to that, but then he won't have enough for that. Lightning bolt. And that. I really wanted to drop some pirates. Oh, yes! Oh, thank you. Oh, that was so kind. Bye-bye. Well, for that, I'll make one myself. It's going to be a good bit of damage to me. And if I do this, I can give my minions score. Ah, that's not that great. I really need better than that. Let's deal 5. Yeah, I forgot that off too. Alright, so he's got 12 damage on the board. I got Reno next turn, so that's gonna be pretty good. Nice. Good. Alright. So we'll finish up this. Next turn I'll probably Kazakis and Earthen Ring. Or I could Brand and then Earthen Ring doubly. Ooh, yeah, I like that better. If I do this, and do this, then they both get 4 health. Oh, the League of Explorers. That's cool. It's very cool. I like that a lot. Alright. Now I can do this or that. I can do this and that. That's not bad.
My shield for Arthur.
That's a pretty good taunt wall right there. Alright. I think it's over for you, bro. Conceding? Oh, he wants that. Okay, I get that. Alright. We'll just do that. That and that. Kill top. Not top, but draw. Boom. That didn't get nearly enough Warlock cards. But I'm cool playing that guy again for a third time. So the plans for this channel is, well, currently it's just to make a small short video each day or so, maybe 5 days a week or something like that. Alright, we're against this. We're probably gonna need these. So yeah, I want to make a video pretty frequently. The hope is to stream at some point, but the internet here is really bad, and it probably won't get upgraded anytime soon. So just recording videos is all I have at the moment. So it is an aggro. Curse over farm. Alright, that's what I will do with this turn then. Just coin out Twilight Drake instead next turn. Okay, or just do that. Can you get... Nope, didn't get it. Alright then, we'll just kill it off. Yeah, it was fine.
This guy's a toast.
SI7. I haven't gotten the best draws this time. Oh, where were you last turn? We need to do this.
Job's done.
We need to get some of the anti-aggro cards out. Whether that's AoE or Reno. Really need Reno
This guy's a toast.
from the looks of it. Okay, but if he's trading, that's pretty good. Do I tap? Do I not tap? I think I tap. If we do that, make our own little 3-3. Our own little 3-3. I hate to drop Sylvanas because they usually just zap it right back.
I have no time for games.
It is what it is. Well, I guess he's going to trade into it. That's helpful. No, he's not. What's he doing? Is he going to stop it? Is he not going to stop it? Alright, I guess we're just going to attack in. Shadow Flame. Do that.
Job's done.
Now I really need Reno. Or to hold on an extra turn over this, but it's gonna be hard.
We hunger for vengeance.
That. Just a little bit of time. I don't know if that's gonna do it. I mean, I can get back up to Drax's level if you can't kill me this turn.
I got the best deal anywhere.
Alright, that's not bad. I guess we...
You face Diraxus.
Purple Drax.
Lord of the Burning Legion.
Kill off that thing. We have to. Alright. Well, this is a tough spot.
Thank you.
That makes it pretty tough, too. What is that? I don't think he's gonna have a Warlock. Oh, that'll do. That'll do nicely. So we got 9 damage next turn. Plus 3 from that. Faceless unit. That way, if you can somehow deal with 2 of them. He's gonna need Leroy. Oh, nice, he didn't have it. Cool. Whew, that was a tough one. Back to rank 5. Hey, we did it. That's that class. We got enough. Let's buy a pack. Alrighty. Come on, be a good one. Blue. Blue. Ah. Well. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. I hope to do more in the future, but thank you. We'll see you next time.